So that this is going to be my vegetables that will be going with the beef stew. Alright, I'm going to add my onions. Some of the onions were from the seasoning when I initially seasoned the steak. Alright. My tomatoes. This is my beef stew, so I'm doing it a little bit different than what you normally season here. I'm going to put a Scallion in here as well. Alright, steak is pretty much cooked. Alright, this is the stewed vegetable. This is celery, chayote, turnips, and Idaho potato, or you can say Irish potato, but these are Idaho, these are American potatoes. Alright, I'm going to put my carrots in here.
Are you taking naps on
I'm going to add my bell peppers. Now I'm going to add some more beef broth in here. First batch is dried out, so I'm going to add this batch. And this will be it for the stew. Then I have a couple more items to add in it, and that will be the conclusion of this. You're watching the Winston Tell on the Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, I'm going to add my onion powder. Just going to do everything all at once. All at once. Cut down the amount of time. I'm going to add my garlic powder. Okay. And I'm going to add some black pepper. Even though black pepper was added in the beginning, just a little bit. Black pepper. Not too much. Alright, let this come to a boil. Then I add the celery, leaves, and the scallion stalks. Alright. This is my vegetable curry beef stew. Yeah. Alright, I'm just going to put the remaining ingredients and wrap this up. Okay, I have some celery leaves and scallion. Celery leaves and scallion. Scallion first. Alright, so this is my vegetable. And I'm going to add my red pepper. This one is a red pepper. See how smooth it is? How it looks? That's a red pepper. Not because it's red. That's just the type of pepper. You're watching the Winston cooking and Discovery TV. So this is my vegetable curry stew. Vegetable curry stew. We got the rest of the vegetables over here. Those are steamed and ready to go. And this is the beef stew over here. Beef stew with carrots, celery, scallion, tomatoes, and the red pepper. So the meat is pretty much cooked. So now we are turning this over. You're watching the Winston Joe and the Cooking and Discovery TV. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my stew is ready. Stew is ready to go. Alright, and the vegetables also is ready. Alright, so this is vegetable curry beef stew. Okay, my friends in YouTube land, this is my vegetable curry beef stew. Yes, my vegetable curry beef stew. Yes, what you've seen on my plate is some Idaho potatoes. You see vegetables such as celery, Chayote or Cho-Cho, Jamaican pronunciation, and you see turnips, you see tomatoes, you see carrots, yes, and of course the main course of this ingredient is the beef stew. So this is the outcome of my vegetable curry beef stew.